Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on the smoke, fire or siren sound detector alarm on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down to the hearing section and then tap on sound recognition. In here, make sure you turn on sound recognition by tapping on the toggle button. Next, we go down and then tap on sounds. At the top here in the alarms section, tap on fire, and in here tap on the fire toggle button to switch it on. You can also choose the alert tones. So here is the default, rebound is the default. Just going to increase the volume so you can hear it. We got tritone, antic, cheers, chord, droplets, and so on. So select a sound that you would like to use, or you can use the default setting. Next is the siren. So tap on siren, and here you can turn it on or off. And if I go back and tap on smoke, we can also tap on smoke to switch it on, then tap on the back key. So here we have switch on 3 alarms: fire, siren, and smoke. And after that, just simply swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now when your phone detects a smoke or a fire sound, it will alert you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.